Can Alzheimer's disease be detected decades before symptoms? Imagine catching a problem long before it even shows up. That's what current research suggests is possible with Alzheimer's disease. Scientists have found that biological changes in the brain can happen many years before any memory problems or confusion become noticeable. This means that, in some cases, Alzheimer's can be detected decades before symptoms appear. The key to this early detection lies in understanding the disease's biology. Alzheimer's begins with the buildup of abnormal proteins in the brain. These are called beta-amyloid plaques and tau tangles. These proteins start accumulating about 10 to 20 years before a person notices any memory issues. Researchers can measure these changes through special tests that look at brain chemicals or proteins in the cerebrospinal fluid, which surrounds the brain and spinal cord. Advanced blood tests are also being developed that can detect these early signs by measuring tiny fragments of beta-amyloid or other toxic proteins in the blood. Another powerful tool is neuroimaging. Using positron emission tomography scans, doctors can see the buildup of beta-amyloid plaques and tau tangles in the living brain. These scans can reveal early signs of Alzheimer's long before a person begins to forget things or struggle with daily tasks. They help doctors tell Alzheimer's apart from other types of dementia or normal aging. Recent advances in blood testing are especially promising. Researchers have created tests that can detect small, toxic forms of beta-amyloid called oligomers. These oligomers appear early in the disease process, often more than 10 years before symptoms. One such test, called SOBA, uses synthetic molecules to find these toxic proteins in blood plasma, offering a simple, non-invasive way to identify Alzheimer's early. Scientists are also using machine learning and computer analysis to improve early detection. By analyzing brain scans and other data, these techniques can spot subtle changes that might be missed by the human. This could help identify Alzheimer's in its very earliest stages with high accuracy. Detecting Alzheimer's early has important implications. While there is currently no cure, early diagnosis can help people make lifestyle changes that may slow progression. It also opens the door to participating in clinical trials and future treatments that aim to prevent or delay the disease's advance. In summary, Alzheimer's disease can indeed be detected decades before symptoms show up, thanks to biomarkers, advanced imaging, blood tests, and computer analysis. These methods are still being refined and are not yet routine everywhere, but they hold great promise for changing how we approach this condition. If you are concerned about memory loss or have a family history, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice and help determine the best way to monitor and protect your brain health.